Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Unalaska local and long-distance movers near me. As we believe, shifting is not just about moving, it involves a lot of emotions. The happiness of moving into a dream house and sadness of leaving one. And if you are forced to handle your shifts along with legal formalities, it will become even more difficult for you. Our moving firm has served in this business for over 20 years, be it packing, unpacking, shifting, or resettling your goods. Our firm provides everything you are looking for. And amongst the other moving companies, 3 Movers is well known for its punctuality, excellent track record, and seamless services. Reasons to choose us. We can move heavy goods like piano. Yes, we can easily move any heavy item like a piano at the most affordable price without any extra charges. We provide insurance on goods. If you decide to hire us, we provide insurance on products that have been shifted through us. Means, in case of any wear and tear, the damage will be compensated through our moving firm. We have a professional approach. Keeping a professional approach towards our clients, we notify our charges before finalizing the move. This eventually helps our clients to make an informed decision for the move. We are giving you endless other reasons to choose us over others. Use secure wrapping material. Provide wholesome shifting services, packing, loading, shifting, and resettling your items. Never deny any assignment. Active communication. Reliable, fast-moving services. Insurance on belongings. Affordable prices. Punctuality. Licensed firm. Offer last-minute shifting. Trained staff. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.